Hello, grade school superstars! Today, we're going to learn about 3 special words that add more fun and meaning to our sentences. Can you guess what they are? That's right, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about prepositions. Prepositions are words that show relationships between things. They tell us where someone or something is or give us clues about locations. Let me show you some examples. The ball is on the table. Here, the word on is a preposition because it tells us where the ball is. Here's another one. The cat is under the chair. In this sentence, under is our preposition. It gives us information about the location of the cat. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's move on to conjunctions. Conjunctions are special words that connect words, groups of words, or even whole sentences. They make our sentences longer and more interesting. Let's look at some examples. I like both apples and bananas. In this sentence, both and are our conjunctions. They connect the 2 words apples and bananas, showing that I like both of them. I'll give you another example. He ran fast but missed the bus. Here, but is our conjunction. It is joining the 2 parts of the sentence, showing a contrast between running fast and missing the bus. Amazing, right? Next up, interjections. Interjections are exciting and emotional words that show strong feelings or reactions. They add enthusiasm and help express our emotions. Let's check out some examples. Hooray! We won the game! In this sentence, hooray is our interjection. It conveys excitement and happiness that we won the game. Here's another example. Ouch! That hurt. Here, ouch is an interjection. It shows pain or surprise when something hurts. Interjections can really bring our sentences to life. Great job, grade school learners! Today, we learned about prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Prepositions help us understand where things are. Conjunctions connect words or sentences, and interjections show our emotions. You all did fantastic. Remember, using prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections in your sentences will make them more interesting and meaningful. Try using them in your everyday conversations and writing. Keep up the excellent work and have fun playing with words.